Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the key points during the time of early Vedic period. So, in previous video, we shall explain about where the early Vedic period people are living and what type of political system was followed by the early Vedic people and what type of social conditions have been in the society of early Vedic people. So all this type of information can be discussed in previous video. Let it. Today I shall explain about the economic conditions of early Vedic period. So what is economy? Economy denotes about the rich and wealth status of the people. So here the Aryan peoples followed a mixed economy. Aryans followed a mixed economy like pastoral and agriculture. Pastoral and agriculture. This is the main profession of the Aryan people. It is the main activity and main profession. What is mean by pastoral? Pastoral means domesticating animals. Telugulo pashuposhana, domesticating animals, that is pastoral, and also agriculture also the main profession of the people. That's why they were produced a variety type of food crops and also produced a variety type of milk products. That's why they were gaining a lot of income by these main professions. And cattle played a predominant part in their life. Cattle played a predominant part in their life, in the Aryan lives. What is cattle? Cattle nothing but cows, govul. So the cattle played a predominant part in the part of the Aryan's life. How? The Rig Veda mentioned one word, that is Gavista. Gavista. The term of the word Gavista tells to search for cows. Search for cows. గోవుల కోసం అన్వేషణ. So this meaning was indicating the term of word in Rigvedic, that is Gavista. This is most important in the view of competitive examinations like constables, like group 1, group 2 and other state level competitive exams in the point of general studies, especially in the place of ancient Indian history. The Vedic culture especially the early Vedic culture, played a key role. Definitely 2 or 3 questions are coming this subtopic. So the Gavishti, the word of Gavishti also most important. What is the mean by Gavishti? To search for cows. And cattle were in fact of currency and value were reckoned in head of cattle. Cattle were in fact a current and value were reckoned in head of cattle. How it is? It is mean by cattle was look like a great wealth, and 100 goats and 100 cows equal to one man's life. So this is the value and wealth of the cattle. One cattle or one cow is, or one man's life was equal to 100 cows. And the horses played a significant role in the life of early Vedic people. Not only cattle or cows played a predominant place in the life of Aryan people, especially early Vedic people. And another one most important animal also played a predominant place in the life of the early Vedic people. What is that? That is horse. The horse also played a predominant place in the life of Aryan people. Especially I mentioned the early Vedic people. And people possessed better knowledge in agriculture. The early Vedic people, the early Vedic Aryans, are gained a lot of knowledge in agriculture. They were maintained a technical cultivating land system. For the cultivation, they were used flow. It is also mentioned in this time. They were cultivated the land by the flows. Nagali cheta vallu dukki dunni, they were cultivating the lands and produce the crops. So this is the economy of the early Vedic period. So you can observe the key points. Aryans followed a mixed economy. They are pastoral and agriculture. Cattle played a predominant part in the life of Aryan people. Gavishti, the word Gavishti tells about the value of the cows. It means the search for cows. And cows also played a predominant place, and horses also played a significant place in the life of Aryans. So this is information about the economic conditions of early Vedic period. Now I shall explain about the religious conditions of the early Vedic people. So for in this topic, the Aryans engaged in wars with each others. The Aryan people engaged in wars with each other. That's why they were praised, they were worshipped so many type of gods. They are, one is Indra. Indra was the most important worshipper praising by the early Vedic period. He was the war and weather god of the Aryan people. Indra was the war and weather god. Already know, Aryans were most bravest people, and they were great warriors. So that's why they were praised a god, that is the Indra. He was the war and weather god of the early Vedic people. And another important gods also praising by the Aryans. One is Maruts. Maruts means the god of storm. వాయుదేవుడు అంటాం కదా, ఆయన అన్నట్టు. మారుత్స్ వాజ్ ద గాడ్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్మ్. ఈ వాజ్ అసిస్టెడ్ విత్ ఇంద్ర when they were participated in wars in their enemies. The Aryan people, when invade their enemy peoples, the Indra and the Maruts were followed by the Aryan people, and they were supported to the Aryan warriors. So that's why they were worshipped. And Agni also worshipped by the Aryan people. Who is Agni? He was the fire god of the Aryan people. And Varuna also worshipped by the people. Varuna also worshipped by the people. He was the keeper of cosmic order. He was the keeper of cosmic order, and he was also known as Rita. So when the Aryan people doing the worships or ceremonies, so he associated with plants and herbs. When the Rita was praised by the Aryan people, he was associated with plants and herbs. And after completion of the ceremony, the Aryan people drank a Soma Paniyam. Soma Paniyam. When they were doing of sacrifices of Rita and another gods of Aryan people, so in that time they were drunk Soma Paniyam. So it was the most tradition, most religious trend of the early Vedic Aryan people. And also we can found goddesses also here. I mentioned three important goddesses of early Vedic period. They are Aditi, Prithvi and Ushas. These are three most important goddesses of early Vedic people. So this is information about the religious conditions of early Vedic people. You can listen to me carefully once again. The Aryan people engaged in wars with each other. That's why they were worshipped so many gods. One is Indra, he was war and weather god. And Maruts, the god of storm. Agni, the fire of god. Varuna, keeper of cosmic order. So Rita was an important tribal set of. When he was worshipped, they were drunk a special paniyam, that is Soma. So Soma was drunk at the sacrifices when there are worship of gods. So it is most important tradition. And Aditi, Prithvi, Ushasri, they were also most important another goddesses of the early Vedic Aryan people. So this is information about the religious conditions of the people. So in this class we shall talk about the economic conditions of the Aryan people and religious conditions of the early Vedic people. So this is total information about the early Vedic people. So tomorrow we shall discuss about the later Vedic period or later Vedic conditions.